Welcome to the beautiful Oakwood home here in Soraya Farms. Come on in, let's check it out. The first thing you're gonna notice is the open floor plan. And while it is very open and spacious, it's also a split floor plan. So you're gonna have 2 suites on this primary level, as well as your great room, kitchen, and a nice dedicated dining area space that you can utilize for that formal dining or for a home office. In addition to the open formal dining area we have at the front of the home, you have a cozy dining nook where you can enjoy those smaller meals with family, and it's open to your beautiful kitchen. This island is a good size. It's got nice quartz countertops. You have your microwave oven combo on the wall there, beautiful gas cooktop, and everything you could possibly need in a kitchen. A design feature that I happen to love in this home is this built-in wall niche right outside of your primary suite and right at the end of the hall that's going to take you to not only your large walk-in pantry, but also your powder room, lovely laundry room, and the 3-car attached garage. So here in the mud hall, we have this beautiful built-in. You've got some storage underneath. Right down the hall, you have your dedicated primary bedroom suite. I love how this, again, has that separation from the rest of the home. Another key feature of this primary suite is that not only do you have this linen closet right across from that primary bathroom, but you also have separate primary closets. So as we work our way towards the bedroom, you have both a closet on the left and the right side of the hall. The highlight of the primary suite is, of course, this primary bathroom. And much like the dual closets, we also have dual vanities. So no fighting for countertop space in this bathroom. Right off the open entry, we have that secondary suite that I had mentioned here on the main level. So let's check it out. Tons of natural light in here. You have a good sized closet, and then it has its own private bath with the tub shower. Let's go downstairs and check out the lower level and see what else this Oakwood plan has to offer. This Oakwood plan features an open finish lower level, and it's actually daylight windows letting in lots of natural lighting. And we're also roughed in for a wet bar in case you wanted to add to the build later. In this finished lower level, we also have an additional full finished bath with a shower and an additional bedroom. I hope you enjoyed the tour today of the Oakwood plan. Again, it's available in Soraya Farms, featuring 3 bedrooms, 3.5 baths, nice open and yet split floor plan with that finished lower level. If you want to take a tour of this home or any of our other homes that Design has to offer, you can visit us at designhomesco.com or give us a call.